Hello student, welcome to all of you on our YouTube platform EduCareer Academy. Myself Dr. GL Chaurasia, Director EduCareer Academy, Sukla Market. Today we are going to study the books class class 9 Beehives chapter for the fun they had NCERT, which is useful for the CBSE board and the UP board also, and all those boards where CBSE is recommended for the ninth class examinations. The fun they had. This is the story. The fun they had means that the pupils of earlier education method, the persons who have studied, they have a lot of the fun, enjoyment in the reading, and it is compared with the advanced and the future school of the teaching, where the robotics will be the main teacher in upcoming future. There will be the virtual classroom and the learning through the computers and the school of the furnitures and the several other things, means that the method of the teaching will be the different from the traditional method of the teaching, where earlier the teachers are the physical teachers which come to teach the students, and the books, the hard copy or the books or textbooks are the in the form the hard copy they teach. But in the case of the new education system, which is the future, we can say that in the future school, where the robotic teachers and the text will be the moving text, means the text will be changing after the sometimes the line to line the text will be changed. And in the case of the traditional system, where the text are the static, means they are not moving, which is written in the book. When we turn the page, the same thing will be also available. So these things are the discussed in these books, and is effective. It will be fitted the story in the future. Here the two students which are discussing to each other the different education system, the traditional and the old education system, what were the differences. So this is the story. Begin. The Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather..." This is the story of Margie Ben wrote. Means Margie have the habit to note down the diary, and in her diary she noted down the date 17th May 2157 and wrote that the Tommy has found an actual book, means textbook, that is the real book. It was a very old book, means that this book is too old. Margie's grandfather once said, Margie's grandfather have told to him when he was a little boy, means they were a lad and were studying in the class, told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Means that Margie is telling that her grandfather have told him that when her grandfather was studied, and the earlier times there was a time when all the stories were printed, means the stories and the others reading material were printed on the paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Means that in the real book, actual book, if the pages will become the yellowish and the crinkly means with many folds and lines have been become in that book, and it was awfully funny. Means it looked like the funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, means if we want to study still instead of moving, means the words which are written in the books, they are the static, means are they are stable, they are not moving, just like the text when we study in the virtual classroom or virtual system and the computer system, that the way they were supposed to on a screen, and then they when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Means that when we turned out the pages which we have studied, the earlier page will be the remain the same text. The text will not change it, which is the first time the test, that will be also the same, and the second time again. Gee, said Tommy, what a best. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. Means Tommy is telling that it is the wastage of the things. When you will study the book, you just throw out it away. I guess our television screen must have a million books on it, and it's a good for plenty more. And the Tommy is saying that there are these millions of the books available on the screen. Television screens means a virtual classroom, and it is a good for plenty more. And it is a very good books which are available. So I would not throw it away. मैं उन सबको ठीक मैं इसको नहीं हटाना I will not I would not throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie has also supported that she is also convinced with the Tommy that the virtual classrooms have the telebooks have the many useful books, a lot of the plentiful books available. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Means she was 11 years old, and she have not a lot of the telebooks, but the Tommy has a lot of the book because he was 13 and also senior, so he had a lot of the books. She said, "Where did you find it?" Now Margie is asking that where did you find this actual books where you have find out. In my house. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. Means Tommy is busy in the studying. So without the pointed towards the Margie, he replied that in his room, in his house, the books find out. And he was busy reading in the attic in the corner, study a space just below the roof, used a storeroom where he was reading. What's it about? What is the subject of this book? What is the in of this book? The Margie is asking, and it is the school. Margie was scornful. School. What's there to write about a school? I hate school. Was scornful means contemporary, and how something is means that She was not interested in the books in the school. He have hated with the school. I hate school, and saying that I hate school. So there, what is the remain to study about this school? But now she hated it more than ever. Earlier she hated little, but now it become the more hating with the books. Sorry, books, school, not books. But now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test because the reason is that the mechanical teacher giving her test after test in the geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country inspector. Means that she was doing the test of the geography and the result were not going the well. So she was so she hated with the school. And when her mother had sorrowfully shaken the head of the that mechanical teacher and sent for the county inspector to check either there is some issue in the system or not. So he for the county inspector. He was a round little man. Means the county inspector which will be repair the machines was a little man, round little man with a red face, which have a red face, and the whole box of tools with dials and darts, and they have a lot of the tools related to the repairing, the wires and dials also which is used in the repairing. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Means that she gave the Margie an apple and smiled at it, and then took the teacher apart. Means to take the teacher on the corner. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Margie had hoped, means she had expected that he would not know how to put it together, means how to be repaired. It they have no idea. The county inspector will not able be to repair, but after 1 hour it has been the repaired, and the mechanical teacher is again active. Large, black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown. Means that the mechanical teacher the large and black and ugly screen, big screen with the lessons were shown, means all the lessons were shown on that day, and the questions were asked there. That was not so bad. Means that they have no idea about the she was not expected. So means that was not so bad, means that she was telling that questions and answers of the questions are not so bad. It is good. She can do it, but the problem in the part of the Margie hated was the coding of that answers, because she the most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. The most the part which she was not interested was the slot where she had to put homework. Means that all the homework have to put it out in the slot. There is the place where you have insert your the test paper or homework. She always had to write them out in a punch code. Means that there is a also need of the conversion to that homework or test into the form of the punch code, coding work. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. Means when she was just 6 years old, she have learned to that coding and the mechanical. Read the next remaining chapter in the next part. So please like, share and subscribe your friends and the needy persons, the students which are in the 9th class, either they are the CBSE board or the UP board, English medium. Thank you for watching.